know you guys are probably tired of my BS by now. I made one video. I said I was coming back, made one video, and then disappeared again. Like, I'm probably probably right now to you guys, very unreliable when it comes down to teaching you guys how to make these handbags, especially with using one pattern, mini bags. So the dilemma I'm facing when it comes down to this with the YouTube channel and everything else in my life is that I work at 8 to 5. I work at 8 to 5. I'm also a husband and a father. Then on top of that, I still want to be able to find time to make my actual sewing, my actual bags. And then on top of that, I want to keep up with my health. And one thing that I've learned and took a note and seen is that I don't have a system. I don't have a system whatsoever. So this is still going to be a handbag channel. But this is still going to be a handbag channel when we talk about, making the handbags. We talk about the business part of the handbag business also. And I just need to really figure it out. That's what it really comes down to. And I think my comeback coming in January, we're going to figure this out together. So for the next few weeks that are left in December, I'm gonna post one video a day. I'm lying. Not one video a day. I'm gonna post one video a week of the system that I'm gonna create so that you guys can still continue to see me if you want to. So you guys can still continue to see me with making handbags and helping you grow your business if you already make handbags also. So that's the dilemma. So that's where I'm at with it. So that's why you guys haven't seen me, because matter of fact, let me show you. This is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna bring you over to my whiteboard, and we're gonna talk about it. All right. Don't mind it. I know the whiteboard is a little crooked, but it is what it is. But as I said, like I work 8 to 5. Those are literally my hours. 8 to 5. I'm up at 6:30 to get ready to go to work. It takes me probably about 45 minutes to go to work and 45 minutes to get home. So technically, sometimes I'm home around 6:15. So that's when I get home. And then when I come home, I'm my husband. Oh, spelled that wrong. And a father. So I got to find time to also be this. Then at the same time, I make handbags too. So I got to find time for my business. Still got to find time for the business. I want to next year, right? Next year I want to be able to, I'm going to make immediately, 10 bags that I want to sell. I want to sell 10 bags per month. That's just small. That's just a small number. Starting out next year, I want to sell at least 10 bags per month for the first quarter, right? Then at the same time, I'm a little bit of an older guy, so I also got to prioritize my health. So what we're going to do, we're going to create a system to where I can be able to do all of this, be able to work, when I get home at 6:15, also be able to be a husband and a father, and also still be able to, conduct my business the way that I want to, and keep up with my health. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to, for the next couple of months, I keep saying months. I don't know why I keep saying months. For the next few weeks, that's what I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how we're going to implement this system. I know you're probably like, well, what the heck does this have to do with making handbags? Because at the same time, this is also a business This is also not just a handbag page. It's also a business page also. So a business channel, I should say. So with that being a business channel, in almost every business, and I think in every step of your life also, you should have a system that you can fall back on. Because there are things that are going to come into your life that's gonna That's going to take priority. That's going to mess up the system a little bit of time. That's going to mess up the system. But at the same time, since you have something to refer back to, you can get right back in line. It's almost like when you're about to plan something to go somewhere, right? You're about to plan something, you're about to go somewhere, something happens. But since you already have it planned, even though there was a spike in the road, or what is it? A wrench in the court, a wrench in the system. Right, a wrench in the system. Even though it was a wrench in the system that got thrown in there, we were able to take and repair it and get the system back up and running because we had something to refer back to. So, like I said, hey, I know I'm repeating myself, but I want to be able to next year, I want to be able to work, be a husband and a father, keep up with my business, and also be able to keep up with my health. So that's what we're going to learn. All this whole entire month of December, I'm going to try to post one video a week. Not try, I'm going to post one video a week until January. And then when January hits, then we'll have the system implemented and we're going to put it into play and then we're going to get it cranking. All right. Thanks again for watching and looking at this video. PQF Academy will be making a return. So thanks, guys. Appreciate you.